Labriola. I'm with Island Safety. I'm doing a lot of audits here at Waypoint Homes, and in the process we decided that a lockout-tagout system would be best served for your kinds of situations so your people aren't at risk. Well, you have a lockout-tagout system now included in your PPE kit. And in this lockout-tagout system, you could use it. If you look over here, here's the panel. This panel is an older panel, and if it wasn't damaged, you'd be able to put your lockout-tagout right here and keep this panel closed. But in most cases, you might not have that tab, so you'll have to go inside the panel, and you'll see your breakers here. Okay. Now, this is your main. Okay. And in order to use this lockout-tagout system, you're going to have to turn your main off. Okay. So we're going to turn that off now. And then in your kit, you'll find a variety of attachments, but for this application, this large breakout, this large lockout attachment is the one you'll use. Now you'll see it has a lever here, which actually is the lockout mechanism. So you turn your breakers off, and then you take your mechanism, your lockout device, and put it on the breaker, and then pull this tab. When you pull this tab, it makes it impossible to turn those breakers back on with this tab out like that. So you see that here? With the tab in, you put it on the breaker and then pull the tab out. Then once you have that on, in your kit you also have this device, okay, which allows multiple locks to go on the tag-out system. This goes on here like so, and it fits snugly to keep that tab out. So when that tab is out, there's no way that somebody's going to be able to go in and remove it. It's in place. Now, to ensure that no one removes that lockout device, we also have a lock. And this lock goes on the lockout device, like so, and it gets closed. And then in your kit you also have a tag. That's why they call it lockout tagout. And this tag allows you to take the zip tie, put it onto the lockout device, okay, and I won't do that here because I don't want to waste it. And then you can write on here the name of your company, who you are, and your phone number, and the time you put this tag on. And that way, while you're working in the house or any subcontractors are working in the house, no one can turn the power on and expose any employees to any electrical shock. So it's that simple, and it's provided you have this type of device, which you do in your little kit. And that's it. Thank you for listening, and I hope you are successful in getting all of your electrical tied down and locked out for safety. Thank you.